Good morning, dear children. So, children, today I am going to start division of fractions. Now, you must be knowing multiplication of fraction. If you are through with multiplication of fraction, it would be very easy to understand division of fractions. Now first, I will introduce you with the term reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. This I taught you in previous video also. Here I am just revising it. So reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is what? When you multiply a fraction with a fraction and answer is coming 1, then they both are called inverse of each other. You know, in simple language, what is it? The reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a fraction is just a inverse of the fraction, means उल्टा पुल्टा कर देंगे फ्रैक्शन को. जो आपका 5/6 है उसको अपसाइड डाउन करके 6/5 कर देंगे. ओके, लेकिन इन केस इफ यू हैव मिक्स फ्रैक्शन तो विल यू राइट 2 whole 7/1? No, we will not write like this. You know, we always change this mixed fraction into improper. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15/7. And now the reciprocal is 7/15. So the reciprocal of this mixed fraction is 7/50. Now whole number, if you see whole number, the whole number has denominator, hidden denominator 1. So its reciprocal will be 1/6. Now let's come to the sums. Okay. Now if you have any division sum, you cannot do it straight away. Clear? For doing any division sum, first you have to convert the sum into multiplication. Why? Because division का उल्टा क्या होता है? Multiplication. So how are we going to do this? See, 5/9 जो फर्स्ट वाला फ्रैक्शन है, we never touch it. उसके आगे एक चाइना बॉल बना देते कि भाई हमें इसको तो टच ही नहीं करना. एंड देन सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन इज 15. तो इट इज़ अ होल नंबर. So make it fraction. Now what we will do, we will change this division sign into multiplication sign. And see, when you are changing this division into multiplication, at very moment you will inverse the second fraction. Okay, जो आपका सेकेंड वाला फ्रैक्शन है उसको इन्वर्स करेंगे. 15/1 है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1/15. फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन यू विल राइट एज इट इज. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन आपने एज इट इज लिख लिया. सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन यू विल इन्वर्स, बट दीज टू थिंग्स, चेंज ऑफ साइन एंड इन्वर्स, शुड बी साइमल्टेनियस. दैट मीन्स टुगेदर. ओके. Now this is multiplication sum, and you know how to do the cancellation in multiplication sum. Numerator never get cancelled. Denominator never get cancelled. न्यूमरेटर को किससे कैंसिल करेंगे? डिनोमिनेटर से. तो 5 9 से जाएगा? नो. 5 15 से जा रहा है? यस. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. नाउ राइट द लेफ्ट ओवर. 1/9, 1/3. क्लियर? So it will be 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 9 3s are 27. So answer will be 1/27. Okay, now let's see this sum. Now here in this sum we have 5/9 divided by 15/16. What I told you, first fraction you will copy as it is. We never touch our first fraction. Clear? But second fraction, what we will do? See, change of sign and inverse of fraction we do simultaneously. So first I will change the sign. Once I have changed the sign, then I can inverse the fraction also. Now it has become multiplication sum. So we know how to do the cancellation. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now see, 9 and 36, are they getting cancelled? Yes, 9 1s are 9 and 9 4s are 36. Children, I have already told you कि if you have more than one common factors, like here I have 3 also and 9 also, So try to take the bigger factor. Okay, now we will write the left over here. Any cancellation possible? No. So you will multiply 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3. Now what kind of fraction is this? Numerator is bigger than the denominator. It is improper fraction. We never give our answers in improper fraction. So you will divide. 3 ones are 3. So this is your whole number. This is your numerator. And this is your denominator. So 1 whole 1 by 3 will be your answer. Okay. Now children, see this question. Here I have mixed fraction and here I have normal fraction. Okay, proper fraction. So what we will do, first we will change mixed fraction into improper. How we will do? First we will multiply these two. How? 4 multiplied by 5 plus 2. This I have told you earlier also. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22. And this you will write as it is. Now 22 by 5 divided by 11 upon 15. Now what we will do? Yes, we will change the sign. We will make it multiplication sum. But how? If I change the sign, what is the next step I will do? Yes, I will inverse the second fraction. 11 by 15 का क्या हो जाएगा? उल्टा पुल्टा 15 upon 11. Now it is a multiplication sum. And we know how to do the cancellation. We will find the common factors. 11 and 22. Do we have any common factor? Yes, I have common factor here. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. I will write the leftover. Now, do we have any common factor? 5 and 15? Yes, these two are getting cancelled. As I told you, you will see numerator and denominator for cancellation. 2 by 1 multiplied by 3 by 1. Now you will multiply 2 3s are 6. 6 by 1. So 1 is a hidden denominator. We don't write 1. So it will be 6 only. So answer is 6. Clear? Here I have both mixed fraction. First we will change mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 9s are 63 plus 2 65 upon 9 divided by 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 upon 3. Yes, now what will be my next step? Now you know you will write first fraction as it is. You will not touch the first fraction. But second fraction, what you will do? First you will change the sign and simultaneously you will inverse the second fraction. Clear? Now multiplication sum, you know the cancellation, you will find the common factor. 13 table you know, 13 ones are 13, 13 5s are 65. So I will write the left over here, 5 by 9, 3 by 1. Now any other cancellation possible? Yes, 3 and 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. 5 by 3, 1 by 1. Now multiply. 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3. What kind of fraction is this? Yes, numerator is greater. So it is improper fraction. We never give answers in improper fraction. So you will change into mixed fraction by dividing. 3 ones are 3. So this is your whole number. This is your numerator and denominator remains the same. So this is your answer. I hope children now division is clear to you all. Okay? We will meet in next video. Keep practicing, keep learning. Bye bye.